Hard work has started being discouraged. The value and pride felt by putting in a hard physical day's work has mostly been lost. Working with your hands in a physical trade is often discouraged. Everyone is told they need to go to college in order to be successful. Some people are stuck studying things they're not interested in to do jobs that aren't fulfilling, all while racking up student debt that plagues them for life. This can't be the only way. The hardworking team members at our company have realized that there's more than one path to success. Not everybody is created to be a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, or an accountant. We value a hard day's work, and we know what it feels like to be tired at the end of the day. Not everybody can do it. Our standards are high and the work is hard. The job isn't always glamorous. Heavy machinery, moldy crawl spaces, and wet basements are a part of our daily life. Most of our people leave dirty and tired at the end of every day. And why do they show up the next day? Because they get to work outside with heavy and specialized equipment, and they get to experience something new every day. They get to help homeowners solve difficult problems and experience their appreciation, smile, and relief when their job is finished. They receive training to not only do their daily job, but also provided leadership training to grow them both personally and professionally. They get to work with an award-winning team of people that are among the best in our industry. They get to make good income, have insurance benefits, a strong retirement package, and get to work with a company that's focused on radically serving its community. How about you? Are you somebody that enjoys working hard with your hands every day? Do you want a career that you can retire from? Do you want to work on a team with other like-minded people? Do you want to experience the pride of helping homeowners fix difficult problems? If so, we want to hear from you. Apply today at joinmsc.com.